Hey there, Texans. We are looking at biotic versus abiotic factors. Bio, meaning live or living, versus abiotic factors. Put an A in front of it, that's the opposite. So, living versus non living factors. Our objective today or agenda, I can describe biotic and abiotic parts of an ecosystem. So, in order to survive, living organisms require non living things, and they need those things to be able to work together to keep everything harmonious. The scientific word for harmonious or balanced is homeostasis. All right, so we're looking at biotic factors like plants, animals, fish, anything living, versus abiotic, non living things, mud, dirt, water, rocks, sunlight, air. So we're going to set up our journal page. Your teacher will tell you what page to set up. It'll look just like this on my screen here. All right, instructions. Set up your journal page to look like the picture. Make sure you put the title, Biotic versus Abiotic Factors. Skip a line, put biotic factor. Actually, if you fold it in half first so you know exactly how big to make your boxes, you can go ahead and kind of help separate your paper there. So fold it in half. Take the right side of your paper, fold it over to the left. With that line, you have your page right down the middle now. Biotic factor, put an arrow, put a box here. It says definition, and I would give it about one, two, three, at least 4 or 5 lines. Put another arrow underneath and put examples and put two lines there. And we're going to do the same thing to that other side there. Abiotic factor, and then put that arrow, and then same size, 4 or 5 lines for the definition, a line here for the arrow, and then the examples here. You're going to skip a couple lines here, and you're going to come down and put characteristics of living things and put these bullet points. Then the other side here, guys, you're going to put biotic and number 1 through 10. And you're going to put abiotic and number 1 through 10. And I'll hide that so you can fully see my screen. 1 through 10, 1 through 10. That is a page number we used last year, so don't worry about that. So the notes that you're going to write down are going to be on this next slide. Copy the notes on your journal page. Fill in the blanks for the definition and examples onto your sheet. So where we put the bullet points, characteristics of all living things. We said, guys, before, they need food or energy. They need to reproduce to continue survival. They grow and repair injuries. Just example, you look at you. You don't stay an infant size. You grow. And then if you hurt yourself, you repair yourself. You get a cut, it heals. You break a bone, the same thing. All right, responds and adapts to the environment. All right, if it's cold, we get goosebumps. If it's hot, we sweat to go ahead and cool our bodies off. Needs water and gases from the air. All living things need water. Plant, trees, grass, people, animals, fish. Gas from the air. Remember, we need oxygen. Plants need carbon dioxide. We excrete waste. You know what that means. We're all made of cells. Remember, we said that in cell theory. And we contain carbon and other elements. So when we're looking at examples, biotic factors, you've got a possum, this handsome looking guy here with the beady eyes, or lions. This would be what you write down for examples. Characteristics are here, the bullet points, again, go here. Abiotic factor, you have the definition here, any non-living thing. So that goes here. And your examples, a boulder, which is a huge rock, or this beautiful looking river to go whitewater rafting in. Those examples would go right here. Now your assignment, when you go to slide number 3, instructions, observe the picture, this right here. Find at least 10 biotic, living things, and 10 abiotic factors. You're going to fill in the blanks on this page of your journal. So your living biotic things go here, abiotic go on this side here. All right, you are then going to take that photo and put it here on the very last slide and submit it in, guys. You do need this for tomorrow's assignment. We'll see you later. Have a great day.